What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the studio slash room setup, and yes, I'm going to be touring everything you can see here. This is where most of the videos do take place, where all the videos are made. So yeah, without anything else said, let's get straight into the video. Yes, this is my room slash studio. This is also where my little brother sleeps. So yeah, my little brother, you'll see a lot of his stuff here too. So let's start from the left and work ourselves to the right. So this is our bookshelf. This is, as you can probably tell, we do like reading books. And yeah, we've got quite a lot of books from the top of the shelf to the bottom. We also have some CGP books. As I am in secondary, I have to be revising. We also have my little brother's stuff over there. A little Sonic toy. My brother likes playing with some toys. We also have a load of paper, as my little brother really loves drawing stuff. And I also use the paper as there is a printer underneath. We also have a couple of boxes and a Dyson vacuum because this room needs to be kept clean. So that's the bookshelf. Moving on, this is just a drawer where mine and my little brother's clothes are kept. And on top, as you can see, I have my MacBook Pro. There's a soundbar, couple of Lego sets in the back, and a lamp, and just some essentials. So when I do want to do some of my work standing up, then I will be using my MacBook over here. But yes, this MacBook has been amazing. It is my daily machine right now. I'm editing all the videos that you see on that machine, so that's been incredible. We have a little Google Home Mini there too. Just a little ball, I don't know, to play with. And yeah, a soundbar at the back to listen to like some music or podcast or something. That's there. Then we have this nice little lamp as well. I really like, nice and clean. It also lights up my bottle, my little brother's bottle, and my little brother's money box. And yeah, this is basically where I go if I want to do some work standing up. Then we have our bed. This is a bunk bed. Let me switch to the wide angle lens. This is a bunk bed. As you can see, my brother sleeps at the bottom, I sleep at the top. We have our duvet and everything. You already know what a bed is. And then underneath we have my tripod and just some other video stuff, mainly boxes and some computing stuff. That's all underneath there. Now to the main show, we have my setup. Just quickly turn that lamp on. As you probably can tell, this is where all the videos take place on this channel. Well, most of them anyway. Also, this is where a lot of work, most of the work is being done. I really like the dual monitor setup I have, as it's just really easy to do my work. And also, just wanted to quickly show you, the cables are quite minimal behind the monitor. I worked really hard on doing that. So yeah, maybe a thumbs up for that. And yeah, this is my microphone. This is the HyperX Quadcast. I just pulled this out if I want to do voiceovers or anything. And then push it back and like switch it off. Have a nice little lamp here just to prove some light. And as you can probably see, humongous Liverpool poster. I am a Liverpool fan. And yes, 2019 to 2020, we are doing okay this season. That's not anything to talk about right now though. We also have some car posters on the side just for a little bit of accent and color. We have this poster, MKBHD. I actually made this myself. We have our PC on the side and a drawer on the bottom. So I keep some of my essentials in here, like a case, some headphones, hard drives and everything. And then the one underneath has a tablet, a laptop, and some other like essentials. And yeah, that's the desk. And in terms of my chair, let's not even talk about that. I am going to get a new one. That one is just not in the right condition right now. Just quickly telling you guys how I do my work. So the tripod will probably be here with a light on that table, and the camera will be pointing this way. So this is probably the view you guys are used to seeing. That's how the camera will be pointing. And in terms of editing, my MacBook Pro will actually be docked on here, and then that will go straight into my monitor, and then I will be editing and doing all my work like that. Unless I am, of course, on the PC, which means I'll have to sign in, and yeah, that's my desktop. So I guess that's it. That was my annual desk setup. We also have this ginormous mirror where mine and my little brother's clothes are kept inside there. There's also a mirror just for a bit more light and to see how we are looking. So yeah, that's been it, guys. That is the whole room. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe some inspiration for your room setup too. I've kept it quite minimal. I have quite a lot of RGB on this side, but then looking at the rest of my room, it's quite minimal, just a couple of lights there, as that's my setup. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This has been the room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, like and subscribe for more. Peace.